Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make the most delicious RASTA pasta with jerk chicken. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have some boneless chicken thighs that I went ahead and seasoned ahead of time. I'll show you guys how I did that in just a second. Here I have the pasta I'll be using. You can use any pasta of your choice. I have some bell peppers here, some heavy whipping cream, some coconut cream. I'll be using some gouda cheese, some sharp cheddar, and some parmesan cheese. I also have here some garlic. I have some of my own homemade jerk seasoning. I have some parsley, onions. I'll be using some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, complete seasoning, and paprika. So here's how I seasoned my chicken. First, I wash in some vinegar and lemon juice. I am using chicken thighs because chicken breast is my least favorite part of the chicken. So I'm using the thighs. I have here some of my own homemade jerk seasoning, some chicken bouillon. I have all-purpose seasoning, complete seasoning, and paprika. So as usual, we will just add all of the seasonings to the chicken and we'll mix until it's well combined. I did leave this to marinate for about 3 to 4 hours before I start my cooking. But if you want, you can cook this right away, or if you have time, you can let it sit overnight. So to get started, what we'll do here is add some garlic salt to this water. You could add regular salt if you wish, but I like the flavor of the garlic salt when I'm cooking my pasta. So I add the salt, then we'll add the pasta and we'll boil this until it is al dente. Next, we'll add a little oil in our pot and let it heat. We'll now go in with our bell peppers, and we will add some complete seasoning and black pepper just to flavor it up a bit. We will let it go for about 3 minutes. Now we'll remove the peppers and we'll set aside while we carry on with the next step. In the same pan, we will now add some butter. Then we will go in with our onions and garlic. We'll let them saute for about 3 minutes. Next, we will add our heavy cream and our coconut cream, and we will let it all come up to a slight simmer. Now guys, if you have never tried coconut cream or coconut milk in your RASTA pasta, you need to try it. It gives a nice Caribbean kick and it is absolutely amazing in there. Now we will add our cheese and we'll let it simmer on low heat until the cheese melts. Once the cheese has melted, we will now go in with the seasonings and we'll let it simmer for about 2 minutes. I will leave all the correct measurements and the ingredients down in my description box. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, this is your chance to go right ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'd be notified every time I upload new videos. So at this point, we will now go in with our bell peppers, and then we'll add our pasta. And we'll finish it up with some fresh parsley. And that's it. That's how simple it is to make this delicious pasta dish. Now, for now, your sauce will be looking a bit runny, but don't worry about it. All that pasta will suck up that sauce, and the sauce will thicken up in about 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, I'll show you a clip of how the pasta will look once it sucks up all that sauce, and everything will be yummy and delicious. So now let's move on to our jerk chicken. So here's the twist, guys. We will be cooking the jerk chicken in the air fryer. Simple and easy. We will cook this on the chicken setting for about 20 minutes at 360 degrees, but 15 minutes in, we'll give it a check. 15 minutes in, this is how our jerk chicken is looking. But if you're like me and you don't like your chicken dry, what I do is go in with a little bit of jerk barbecue sauce. How did you get jerk barbecue sauce? Well, you add some of your jerk seasoning to your barbecue sauce, and voila, you have jerk barbecue sauce. So we will, put a thin layer of that sauce over top, and we'll let this cook for the extra 5 minutes. So after about 20 minutes in total, our jerk chicken is finally done. Now let's plate up and enjoy. And this is how I make an absolutely delicious RASTA pasta with jerk chicken. I do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys make your pasta and jerk chicken, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.